Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are here in the Royal Crescent near Victoria Park. Look. It's really a beautiful day out here guys. Look at the crescent behind me. It's probably too bright that you can't see it, but it's truly a sight.
What are you doing?
Vlogging.
Oh, vlogging.
My mom's here also taking pictures with her phone. Ha. And guys, do you have any idea what this tree is behind me? It's very twisty. Plus this one too.
How can you get it as a crescent? What you think?
It's kind of built like a Minecraft house. Blocks are made diagonally.
Yan ba yun? Anong meron dito sa Crescent? House yan?
Ayun, puro mga bahay daw yan.
It's for
Hanggang ngayon?
kings and law.
Oo, bahay. Pero nung 14 saka 15,
Hello guys.
ginawa na siyang museum. Ang pangit na, no? Dapat ayusin na yun.
This is my dad
inaayos na.
here.
Nakita mo yan?
Oo.
Terrace house lang naman.
Dad,
Nadikit-dikit.
look at the camera.
Oh, picture mo kami. Picture mo ako. Single. Ganyan, oh. Ganyan, dad, oh. Yung kita siya. Then sa gitna ako. Mag-iamoto.
My mom's taking a picture of which I don't care about.
Ibaba mo muna yung bag mo.
I need to care about dad's water, bro.
Ayun ko nang nahihirapan ito.
Guys, it's truly a wonder, bro.
Gano'n kalayo?
Ikaw man na yan.
Masyadong malayo.
Lapit yung kanti. Ikaw na lalapit.
Sabihin mo paano yung kamay ko. Sabihin mo paano yung leg ko.
My mom's taking a picture now. And my dad is the photographer of the day.
One more. 1, 2, 3, go. Ganda. Ganda ng kuha ko.
Let's see my dad's picture. Dad, can you see your picture? Can you show it to the camera? Dad. Dad, can you show your picture to the camera?
No?
Dad, show your picture to the camera.
Ba't i-show to picture sa camera?
I'm
Kami ni
just...
daddy. Picturean mo kami ni daddy.
YouTube showing the pictures to camera.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna take a picture with my mom right here. And my dad's going to be the one taking it.
Tinakpan mo naman mukha ko.
Guys, look. It's a really good place to visit in Bath, UK, of course. Bath. I know you're thinking why it's called Bath. I don't really know. Probably has some history we haven't learned in year 3, which is the year I'm in. I got this feel. Guys, I'm gonna take it for a spin. I got this feeling in my bones like I need it. It's really a good day, guys. Really.
Daddy will take panorama.
I got this feeling in my bones. Guys, I'm sorry if that was a bit blurry. Hello, Mom. And here's my mom right here.
Baka sobrang dizzy na sila. Enough na yun, anak.
Hold on, I'm taking a full minute vlog. Water.
Water there.
No, just get it. Hello, guys. Today, guys, I'm gonna be vlogging
Hindi
for the
panorama
whole
yan, Dad.
day.
Hindi yan panorama ang ginawa mo.
Ano?
Ang panorama yung maliit na gano'n, no? Balik ka.
Guys, look.
Nasaan ako dyan? Hindi ganyan kumuha ng panorama.
Ayan o.
My mom and dad are fighting about pictures.
Ganyan oh. Dapat mahaba yung
Water. Guys, look, a special rock, which I don't care about, of course. I'm gonna wait till my mom and dad are done fighting about the picture. Pause for a second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Hello. Oh, my mom and my dad wants to take a picture, and I'm the photographer, so. No, I'll do it. I'll do it, mom.
10 seconds, timer starts.
Well, I'm in pose. There's my grumpy dad right there, which I named him the Killjoy King.
Dad. Agaling mo yung bagong mo.
Come on, guys. Get in the picture.
10 seconds yan.
I just started. Good na?
Daddy, he is not ready pa. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3,
Go.
9,
Tabi dyan,
Eight,
Miko. Kami lang.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, one more. Walang ganyan.
Hold on, guys. I'm the time.
Tabi
Daddy lang yung mami.
Go, tabi dyan. Pangit ka. Wag.
3, 2, 1.
My mom and dad doesn't want me in their photo. Well, they're going to be in my video. Come on. This is a really good day.
Oh.
Ano yan?
Guys, look at the Royal Crescent.
Tayong dalawa anak, let's play together. Tanggalin mo na yan, yung bit mo.
No, hold on. Hold on, guys. Let me pause it for a second. Hello, guys. Welcome back after my short break. Now we're going to go over that fence. You see that fence there? Fence there. And then we're gonna be going to that viewing point over there that you probably can't see. Sorry, guys. Hold on. I'll just convince my mom and dad to go get it. Let us go. Sorry, guys. I know there's been many pauses, but I have to take breaks. So, guys, I'm gonna be going alone because my mom and dad are both KJ. So, I'll see you with a run there. Hello, guys, back. I'm still trying to get to the viewing point. Hold on. I left my mom and dad. KJ losers. But guys, look. We're close. Guys, it's here. The viewing point of the Royal Crescent. Guys, look, here's a close-up. Isn't it cool? Look. Come back. Hold on, guys. Guys, I'm back running. My parents, what? Need to go back. My toes hurt. Guys, this is really, what's a good adventure? It really was fun, bro. Let's see my mom and dad's reactions. They said you had to pay to go there. So, Mom, what do you have to say?
What?
You said that we had to pay to go there.
Yeah, go inside. What's that ba? Did you sleep?
Did you go inside?
Yeah.
Did you
go
take a
inside
peek?
or no?
No, I didn't go inside. You see the viewing point there? I went in there.
No, the door, inside the door.
No.
Did you take a peek?
No.
Oh, see? You
Here's
went
look.
there already and you didn't
Yeah, it was nice, but why you are running? If you're vlogging, you should just walk.
It's a good day, guys. Wait, did I pause it? Oh, never mind. Hold on, guys. Short break, they'll be back. So my mom and dad and me, of course, agreed that we'll be go. Dad, can you please stop taking yawns? We're gonna be going to the playground area, which don't just never mind, guys. Which is just right around in the middle of Victoria Park. Before we go, here's one last look of the Royal Crescent and my family. I'll meet you back when we get there. Or maybe I can show a bit of our walk there. And by the way, guys, while we're waiting because my dad wants a rest before we walk to the botanical gardens. By the way, I'm just gonna tell you something about my dad. He is the KJ King, which means Killjoy King, and he is the most annoying person in the whole entire world. And here's my mom, which is the nicest person in the whole entire world. She's like an angel to me. And here am I, the smartest boy. No offense, Ahmad, if you're watching this. Guys, short today, we're gonna be going to the playground before, and then we're gonna go on the toot bus for the city tour, which I will definitely be showing you.
You're back.
Definitely. Hold on a second. Hey.
Oh,
Oh wait, hold on. My dad wants me to wear my bag. Guys, I'm definitely gonna be showing you the skyline tour. What's that? Sorry, guys. Guys, I'm worried, guys, about my battery.
it's feeling cold now.
My mom and dad are weak, so they're saying that this is cold. Really, no. Guys, you wanna see a plant?
Wanna eat the ice cream?
No, not the ice cream truck.
Ice cream.
No,
Ice cream farm there.
no.
Come here.
I live in a family of weird people.
This way?
Hold on a second, guys. I'm gonna take a vow of silence for a bit while we walk to the playground that my mom was talking about. We're now entering the urban garden.
Urban Garden sa papasok ka with number
Sorry, we're
free
closed.
1 hour, 100 meters.
Never mind that.
Sorry,